Hi, I'm Francesco Lenzi, the patron chef of Lenzi Tuscan Kitchen and Nonna Nella by Lenzi. And today we will prepare our costine, rigatoni with the costine. So it's a traditional Italian recipe, and what we need is pork ribs, carrot, onion, celery, garlic, white wine, the rigatoni, obviously our passata of Cirio, and some Parmesan cheese and pecorino romano. I just marinate a little bit our, for let's say 10 hours, our ribs with some sage and rosemary. You can do it or you cannot do it, this is up to you. But I think it will have more flavor and I like to do it this way. We will prepare now our rigatoni with the costine. I say it's my rock and roll pasta. So let's start. So let's start to prepare our soffritto, we call it in Italian language. That is with onion, carrot and celery. So start in this way. Okay. You can turn on fire, not too strong. Remember, don't put always the fire too strong, because it's like with a car, you know, if you go too fast and there is a wall, you will take the wall, so everything will burn. So just take the time you must to take. Carrots. This recipe, it's a quite long recipe because it will take around 4 to 5 hours, 6 hours, because it must be cooked very slow. You just put at the very low fire and you let it go for 4-5 hours. You will see when it's ready, when the bone will come out easily from the rib. So onion, carrot, we do some celery. This is enough. Voila. Now add just a bit of extra virgin olive oil. You can take some garlic and put some garlic inside. We will remove after. So I will cook this sauce in 2 different steps. Before I will cook my soffritto, or carrot, celery, onion and garlic. After that, when it's like near to be cooked, I take it off like this, and in the same pan I will start to cook my ribs. I keep the herbs that I use, rosemary and sage. This is a very easy recipe. Only take time. So when we see that the color start to be more golden and our ribs are burning, so what I really want, you see, that just some burning here, you see, this burning is very helpful for the taste. So we add our veggie. After that, we will put the white wine. Ora, now it's really important to understand when we add the white wine, we always must be sure that the alcohol is gone. When the alcohol is gone, we can add the other ingredients. Questa cos'è? La passata, quella originale. Our white wine is gone and we will add our passata. The next step will be to add just a little bit of stock, if you have some meat stock, vegetable stock, or some simple water, in my case. Just a little bit. You have this consistent. Now you put your lowest fire, you see, and just put very low, in this way. You let just a little boil. Sometimes you must see some bubble, not too much, and you let it go, okay, without any rush. So our sauce is ready, and now we can start to cook our rigatoni. We add some salt. Remember, don't add too much salt. After you will taste the pasta, you will understand if you need a little bit more salt or not. Remember, you can add salt, but you cannot take it off. So we put our rigatoni inside. Our is a kind of artisanal pasta, so it will take around 12 minutes this rigatoni to cook. You can see that our meat, you see, it go out from the bone. So what we will do now, we will take off just the ribs, because we don't want to burn our hands. And you see, we will only. So now I already separate the meat and the bone that we don't need, I will throw away. And I don't like to chop my pork, my meat. Just I put it back like this. It will broken by itself. So our pasta is ready. So as I say, I want to finish in here the pasta. So we put our sauce. My grandmother, my mother, they always do in this way. They don't do like the chefs. So we add now extra virgin olive oil, some Parmesan cheese, and some Pecorino Romano cheese. If you don't have Pecorino Romano, it's not a big deal. You can just put some Parmesan cheese. If you don't have Parmesan cheese, it's fine. It's very good the same. Only give that taste more strong, you know, that I really like it. So let me taste. Just a bit of salt. Our rigatoni with the costine. Buon appetito!